So today we're going to be installing the SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro. I've been wanting a video doorbell for a while now, and this is the one that I decided on. So we're going to start from scratch here. See what comes in the box. Alright, that is what it looks like straight out of the box. I'm pretty sure I've heard that these are pretty simple installs, but we'll see what we got that came in the box. So these looks like it's just some different face plates and a base, I guess, if you want to put that on there. And then it looks like it comes with everything you need. So let's bring this over to the front door and we'll get started. So step one is going to be to turn off the breaker switch for the doorbell. So this is what my doorbell normally sounds like. Got that figured out, got the breaker off. So now let's just remove the existing doorbell. Cat. So we're gonna take out this old doorknob or doorbell. So this is what it looks like on the back of mine. So next what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew those two screws, take the wires off, and then we'll get ready for the other doorbell. I took the doorbell out of the package. All I did was take these two screws out. So what I'm going to do now is put this mounting bracket up on the wall. I'm going to take off this back piece. This is just to make sure that you realize that the front part is going to be a little bit above the bracket. So make sure there's nothing on your door frame that that's going to run into. So I'll take this off real quick, and then I'll just mount this up on here and thread these wires through here. Alright, then the next step is going to be we're going to loosen the terminal screws and then slide the wires that are already off there onto them, and then tighten those screws. So on these screws, you want to make sure that the actual exposed wire goes back behind these little flat plates back behind the screws. So what I'm going to do is take these completely out and then be able to just hook this around and then tighten the screw and the plate back on over the wire. What I ended up doing was I got the white on there back behind that, and then I actually only ended up getting the red a little bit off because I didn't want the middle plastic piece looked like it was almost coming off because of unscrewing the white or the red on the right. So I just pulled it out most of the way and then was able to wiggle the wire back in there. So now all I'm gonna do is just tighten those up so they get a good connection, nice and snug. Alright, so those are on there now. So now what we're going to do is probably just slide it over. Yeah, we're going to slide the doorbell on there. This side, camera side up top. Let's see it. Alright. Just push it in. All right, I was wondering why that took a minute to get on there. It's because I don't know if you saw it before, but if you rewind a second, these wires were sticking out just a little bit, so it wasn't letting this piece slide on all the way. So now it's a nice flush fit on both sides, and then it should, yeah, slide down. All right, so it is on there now. So now we're gonna go turn the breaker back on. Next step is number 8 there. Press the doorbell, test the chime. If it rings, it's good. If not, check the connection. Moment of truth. Oh, thank God.